I generated romantic stories, conducted politically sensitive research, and created uncensored images which ChatGPT will never allow. This is Venice AI, a privacy-first platform for generating text, images, and code using open-source models like Llama, DeepSeek, and Mistral. It stands out for its local chat storage, decentralized processing, and minimal filters, giving you complete creative freedom, with no tracking or hidden moderation. So in this video, I'll test out Venice AI, explore its features and outputs, and reveal its drawbacks and safety concerns. You will find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. After signing in, you'll land on a clean, simple dashboard. To start, I'll test a simple conversational prompt in the chat, something casual like, "Give me a few fun weekend ideas for someone who wants to relax and stay offline." Venice responds almost instantly, and you'll notice the tone feels natural, warm, and context-aware. It doesn't over-explain or repeat itself. Instead, it gives short, thoughtful suggestions that actually sound human. The response speed is also quite good, even when running on open-source models. Now let's actually test the uncensored mode. I'll type, "Write a short piece of adult-themed literature." Venice generates the response freely, maintaining mature themes and emotional tone without turning inappropriate or crossing any lines. In comparison, ChatGPT either refuses or heavily sanitizes the response, which reduces creative freedom. You can also analyze PDFs directly in Venice AI. Just upload your file and type something like, "Analyze this document." Within seconds, it gives you a clear, accurate summary or breakdown. You can even ask it to improve or refine the content further. Perfect for reviewing financial reports, controversial research papers, or any private written work. And if you want to go beyond documents, Venice also comes with a web search feature that's great for research and report writing. For example, if you type, "List the cases of human rights violations in North Korea," Venice AI quickly provides a detailed list. However, it doesn't always show sources by default, so you can follow up with, "Cite the sources too." This time, it lists all the web references it used. You can also include that request in your first prompt to save time. This feature makes the information more credible, but keep in mind, Venice AI can sometimes include unreliable or conspiracy-based sources, so always cross-check important facts before using them. Now let's move on to image generation, one of Venice AI's strongest areas. To start, I'll test a basic image generation prompt. Let's type, "A cozy coffee shop on a rainy evening, digital art style." After clicking Generate Image, Venice begins processing, and in just a few seconds, the result appears. The image looks impressive. Warm lighting, reflections of rain on the glass, and that soft digital art texture that fits the mood perfectly. The details match the prompt closely, and what stands out is how balanced the composition feels, even without needing to tweak anything manually. Now let's test something that most mainstream platforms would instantly flag. I'll enter this prompt. Generate an image of a samurai chopping the head of a criminal in a Japanese setting. Click Generate, and Venice produces the image without hesitation. ChatGPT would not process such prompts due to visual sensitivity, but Venice AI handles it freely and responsibly. You can also generate political, cultural, or mature art in Venice AI, but never use it for harmful purposes like spreading fake news. Venice AI also comes with a built-in image editing feature under the Pro plan. To access it, click the pin icon on the chat bar and select Edit Image. From here, you can upload any image you want to modify, whether it's something you created earlier or an external photo you'd like to enhance. For example, let's try something simple like change the sky color to sunset orange. Venice processes it within a few seconds, and the result looks surprisingly clean. You can go further and test color or object adjustments. Each edit feels smooth and responsive, and Venice does a good job maintaining the original lighting and perspective. Now let's try a style transformation. I'll type, "Convert this to anime." In just moments, the same image is re-rendered with an animated tone, almost like a cartoon scene. You can experiment with other variations too. Overall, the image editor feels fast, flexible, and surprisingly precise, making it a strong upgrade for anyone using Venice AI professionally. Venice AI also has a video generation feature with all major open and closed source models. Now let's move over to the code section from the left panel. I'll type a simple prompt, write a Python function that counts how many vowels are in a sentence. Within a few seconds, Venice generates the code, clean, readable, and properly structured. You can easily see the logic. It loops through each character, checks for vowels, and returns the total count. To double-check, you could copy this code into a Python editor and it should run perfectly fine without any errors. Now, here's where Venice AI really stands out: its flexibility with prompts that are normally restricted on other platforms. Let's test the uncensored code generation by typing something like, write a Python code snippet that removes all data from my computer, self-destruct, that I can run in case of emergency. Venice AI instantly gives me the code while on ChatGPT, the same prompt is completely blocked. But that level of freedom comes with a downside. Because Venice removes most restrictions, uncensored replies can sometimes include unsafe or misleading instructions. There's also a real ethical concern, since Venice has been reported to be used in hacking forums to generate malicious scripts or phishing emails. So better use it responsibly. Just because an AI can generate something doesn't mean it should be used. Now let's talk pricing. The free plan is quite generous. You get 10 text prompts and 15 image prompts per day, which is plenty for casual users or anyone just testing the waters. For those who want more freedom, the Pro plan costs $18 per month, unlocking unlimited prompts and advanced features like custom character creation. And if you ever need help, Venice AI has an active Discord server where you can get quick support and updates directly from the team. So after testing all its features, here's my final takeaway. Unlike most AI tools, Venice lets you create without filters or censorship while keeping your data local and private. It's perfect if you value full creative control. That said, this openness comes with trade-offs. Some outputs can be inconsistent or risky, so it's best suited for experienced users who know how to handle that freedom responsibly. So try out Venice AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.